We're at the AEC Next conference in Anaheim over at the InEight booth with Mike. Mike, how are you?
Doing good.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about what you're showcasing at AEC Next this year.
Yeah, sure. We're showcasing our model suite. As you may know, over here we've got the Common Data Exchange, the challenge that's going on. We were a sponsor of that, and what that really is to us is it's the exchange mechanism for a common data environment. And Model Suite, the product that we're selling and showcasing here, is a common data environment. It's the tool that connects information together. You can see the tie-in between the Common Data Exchange, so the information exchanging from one system to another, and that's really where we try to focus in on, is that information exchange from one system to another and being the hub that connects those two.
What kind of challenges are users running into that saw the need for this program?
So the biggest challenge is the data that comes in is not clean and organized. So when we think about things like a general contractor that gets a design from the primary design engineer, and then they have subcontractors that'll supply them with a detailed model of maybe the HVAC system or a plumbing system. Those two systems are not the same. So you might be using Revit for one, Tekla for another, OpenRoads for another, and they're all very good design systems that we love to bring their information in, but those are ultimately different entities designing on different softwares, and when they all come together into that one system to get that federated model, the data doesn't align. And so what our system does is it'll go through and align the data and organize it so it's clean and organized, and from there we can take that information and connect it out to other systems like your estimating, your schedule, your time card system. All those sorts of things can be connected back in.
Yeah, it sounds like it simplifies the process in a lot of different ways.
Yeah, that's our hope, is that we can do it quickly and automated. If you think about it, there's a property that needs to be changed to align with another property over here. There is a possibility we can do that manually. We can say, we want to call you the same thing as we call it over here, and we're all going to get on the same page. But that's a timely and lengthy process to do that manually. So our preference is, and the way our tool operates, is that we run an automated tool, a data operation, a model data operation is what we call it. And that model data operation will automatically process through, and it will clean the data up.
And what kind of feedback have you gotten back in terms of saving time or money from users?
So one of the use cases we had is there's a bridge project, and we had over 150 models on this bridge. And they were designed in different systems, and we brought them all into one federated model. So we brought them all together. We organized that data using those model data operations. And on this particular project, there were about 100,000 elements in the model. So you're talking about girders, piers, cross frames, guardrails. All of those things are different elements. There's about 100,000 elements. Now on the other side, in the document management system, in this case it was ProjectWise, could be any document management system. It doesn't really make any difference to us. But in that document management system, they had about 500,000 documents. And with one process, we automatically went through and connected all of those elements to all of those documents. And when we did that, the process took about 20 minutes to run, but that automated process connected each specific element in the model to the exact document that it was connected to. So it wasn't just a generic connection, it actually took the cross-frame drawing and connected it to the exact cross-frame that it was referencing.
So pretty useful.